Okay, here's another video of some HL rolling stock. This is AHM, which is Associated Hobby Manufacturers. This here is a 51-foot flat car with a U.S. Army truck on it. Comes with that cargo dock there and 12 figures. This next one is also AHM, Associated Hobby Manufacturers. This is the Big Thunder Railgun car. Also comes with 21 figures. These next ones here are also AHM. These are all Pennsylvania Railroad ones. The first one is the U.S. Post Office car. The next one is going to be a coach car. Then the Pullman car, dining car, observation car, and then a sleeper car. There. And then we come down here. This is also AHM, Associated Hobby Manufacturers. This is a 40-foot double-door New Haven boxcar. This one's a Southern Pacific 40-foot boxcar. This one is their great 55-foot Frosted Flakes car, boxcar. Next one is a Penn Central 55-foot center flow excuse me, hopper car. Next one's a 40-foot Union Pacific cattle car. Next one here is also AHM. It's a Minneapolis and St. Louis 4-bay 40-foot open hopper. Rock Island gondola with ballast load. Another AHM Roma Wine 40-foot 6-dome tank car. And then these last two are also AHM, which is a Spirit of 1776 caboose and then a Penn Central caboose. Coming down here is AHM. These are Penn Central Alco engines. There's two of them. One is a engine and the other one is just a dummy. These next ones here are A-Line by Intermountain Railway Company. The first ones here are the Thrall 5-unit well cars, brand well cars. The next ones here is the Santa Fe, and the last one is Burlington Northern. They are twin stack 5-unit well cars for those. I'm going to come down here, and this is going to be Atlas. These first ones here are the Atlas Union Pacific. They're the reefer 64 Trinity reefer cars, and there's 3 of them. These next two here are Atlas American Colloid Bicentennial 40-foot plug door boxcar times 2. C-Train 40-foot boxcar times 2. These two here are the Fruit Growers Express 40-foot plug door boxcar times 2. These next ones here are the bulkhead flat cars with pipe loads. TTX is the first one. It's one of those. Illinois Central is those two, and then this is Burlington Northern. The bulkhead 68-foot boxcars. And then the last one is a 68-foot flat car with pipe loads, and that's a Norfolk Southern. And coming down here with these Atlases, these 3 here, the CSX, US Steel, and Bethlehem Steel, are the coil cars. They're 40-foot steel coil cars. These next set here is the ADM and the Union Carbide 23,500 gallon tank cars. These next ones here are Norfolk Southern. They're the Top Gun coal porter cars, and there's 6. That's a 6-pack there. And coming up here is a Pacer stack train 3-unit well car, and that is 2 of those. And then coming over here, we have the This is the articulated auto carrier. This one is the Union Pacific. And we have the TTX, and then is the Norfolk Southern. So there's three of those, but they're different manufacturers: Union Pacific, TTX, and Norfolk Southern. Now we're going into some of the BLI, which is the Broadway Limited Imports. This is the Southern Pacific Daylight. And these first ones here, the first one has a DC light package in it. And it's a Polar observation car. It's a 1953 post-war. The next one here is a 1941 post-war tavern car. The next one here is a Pollard car, number 3003. And then the next one's a 3002 Pollard car from 1941 pre-war. Then we have another tavern car there. And then two single chair cars are the last two, the two single chair cars. Then coming over here, more BLI, Broadway Limited Imports. This is a 2-pack of the cryogenic tank cars. This is the CNG 2-pack. And then this is the Big 3 Industry 2-pack. And then this is the Air Products 2-pack of the cryogenic tank cars. These two up here, the Norfolk Southern as well as the Santa Fe. It's a 6-pack of the H2A 3-bay hopper cars. And then coming down here, these are BLMA Trinity 64-foot flat reefer Union Pacific cars with different road names on them. And then we have the Riverossi. These are log car 2-unit set, and there's 4 packs of those. Alright, so I'll have another video with some of my other rolling stock. So thanks for watching.